Hello children, we are starting with practice set 9.2. Question 1. Perpendicular height of a cone is 12 cm and its slant height is 13 cm. Find the radius of the base of the cone. Here height h equals to 12 cm, length L equals to 13 cm. To find radius of the base of the cone R, you know that there is a relation between slant height and radius of the cone. That is L square equals to R square plus H square. Substituting the values here will simplify and calculate R square equals to 25. Therefore, R equals to 5. The radius of the base of the cone is 5 cm. Question 2. Find the volume of a cone if its total surface area is 7128 square centimeter and radius of the base is 28 centimeter. Here the value of pi is 22 by 7. Total surface area of the cone equals to pi r into L plus r. Substitute the values here and simplify. Your calculations are more important. So L equals to 53 centimeter. Now apply the formula L square equals to R square plus H square and calculate H. H square equals to 2025. When you simplify this, therefore H equals to 45 centimeter by taking square root on both the sides. Therefore, volume of the cone equals to 1 by 3 pi r square H. So 1 by 3, 22 by 7 is the value of pi given. R you have calculated 28 square and H is 45. So substitute this values here and calculate. You will get 36,960 cubic centimeter. The volume of the cone is 36,960 cubic centimeter. Even though the problems are looking lengthy, but only very simple calculations are there, formulas are there. Substitute and keep on solving one after another step. Very easy. Curved surface area of the cone is 251.2 centimeter square and radius of its base is 8 centimeter. Find its slant height and perpendicular height. Pi is 3.14. So here curved surface area of the cone is pi RL. Substitute the value, you will get the value of L equals to 10 centimeter. Apply the formula L square equals to R square plus H square and simplify for value of H. H equals to 6 centimeter. Therefore, the slant height and the perpendicular height of the cone are 10 centimeter and 6 centimeter respectively. Very easy. What will be the cost of making a closed cone of tin sheet having radius of base 6 meter and slant height 8 meter if the rate of making is rupees 10 per square meter? So here what you have to find out? To find out the cost of making the cone of the tin sheet, first we need to find out the total surface area of the cone. Very important. Total surface area of the cone. Therefore, pi r into L plus r is the formula to calculate the cone total surface area. So 22 by 7 into 6 into 8 plus 6, substitute the value and calculate. You will get 264 square meter. This is the sheet required. Rate of making the cone is rupees 10 per square meter. So total cost equals to total surface area into rate of making the cone into 10 equals to 2640. Cost of making the cone of tin sheet is rupees 2640. Next question. Volume of cone is 6280 cubic centimeter and base radius of the cone is 20 centimeter. Finds perpendicular height. H we have to find out. Pi equals to 3.14. You know formula to calculate the volume of the cone, 1 by 3 pi r square H. Substitute the value and you will calculate the height. H equals to 15 centimeter. Therefore, the perpendicular height of the cone is 15 centimeter. Question 6. Surface area of the cone is 188.4 square centimeter and its slant height is 10 centimeter. Find its perpendicular height. Again, pi is given 3.14. So, curved surface area of the cone is pi RL, where pi equals to 3.14. Substitute the value and you will calculate R equals to 6 centimeter. Then use the formula L square equals to R square plus S square and calculate H. H equals to 8 centimeter. Therefore, the perpendicular height of the cone is 8 centimeter. Next, question 7. Volume of cone is 1232 centimeter cube and its height is 24 centimeter. Find the surface area of the cone, where pi equals to 22 by 7. So, volume of cone equals to 1 by 3 pi r square h. Substitute the value. R square equals to 49. Therefore, r equals to 7 centimeter. Again, substitute the values in the formula L square equals to R square plus S square. You will get R equals to 625. L equals to 25. Curved surface area of cone equals to pi RL equals to, substituting the values, 550 square centimeter. Therefore, the surface area of the cone is 550 square centimeter. Next problem, the curved surface area of cone is 1200 square centimeter and its slant height is 50 centimeter. Find the total surface area of cone. Pi equals to 22 by 7. So, curved surface area of cone equals to pi RL. Substitute the values and simplify. R equals to 14 centimeter. We have to find out the total surface area of cone. So, pi r into L plus R. Substitute the value and simplify. You will get 2816 square centimeter. Therefore, the total surface area of the cone is 2816 square centimeter. Next problem. There are 25 persons in a tent which is conical in shape. Every person needs an area of 4 square meter of the ground inside the tent. If height of the tent is 18 meters, find the volume of the tent. So here, for the tent, height is 18 meter, number of people in the tent are 25, area required for each person is 4 square meter. We have to find the volume of the tent. So every person needs area of 4 square meter of the ground inside the tent. So surface area of the base of the tent equals to number of people in the tent into area required for each person. Now here you see, instead of given the base area of the tent, it is given in this manner. So 25 into 4 equals to 100 square meter. So surface area of the base of the tent is pi r square equals to 100 square meter. And volume of the tent equals to 1 by 3 pi r square h. Here pi r square, area of base is already calculated here. So 1 by 3 into 100 into h. H value is 18. So substitute 3 ones are 3 6 are 6 into 100 is 600 cubic meter. The volume of the tent is 600 cubic meter. I am sure you know that the volume unit will be cubic unit and area unit will be square unit. Next question. In a field, dry fodder for the cattle is heaped in a conical shape. The height of the cone is 2.1 meter and diameter of the base is 7.2 meter. Find the volume of the heap of the fodder. If it is to be covered by polythene in rainy season, then how much minimum polythene sheet is needed? Where pi you have to take 22 by 7 and your root of 17.37 equals to 4.17. Why it is given? Because in problems somewhere we will get such value, root of 17.37. We'll come across volume of the heap of the fodder is 1 by 3 pi r square h. Substitute the value and calculate. The volume comes to 28.51 cubic meter. We want the slant height. So your formula is there, L square equals to R square plus H square. Substitute the value of R and H. Calculate L square equals to 17.37. Taking square root on both the sides at 4.17. 4.17 from where? It was given. Clear? Area of the polythene sheet needed to cover the heap of the fodder equals to curved surface area of the conical heap. That is given by the formula pi r L. Pi is 22 by 7, r is 3.6 and L we have calculated above 4.17 equals to 47.18 square meter. Therefore, the volume of the heap of the fodder is 28.51 cubic meter and a polythene sheet of 47.18 square meter will be required to cover it. This much is sufficient for this exercise. In the next exercise, we will see more problems. Till then, goodbye. Take care of yourself. Thank you.